Hey, here is another immediate action for Break No More. So I'm going to invite you to do it right now. Um, you're going to pause the video at some point and you're going to make it. It lasts 30 seconds. So I'm going to explain you the entire thing, right? And at the end, I'm going to tell you pause and you're going to do it for 30 seconds to start off right now the work. And please do it as often as you feel, as you see fit. Okay, so you close your eyes for 30 seconds. This is the future self visualization according to your values. So you close your eyes, for 30 seconds. Close your eyes. Then you imagine the version of you who has lived your values for 1 year. You can take also just one value, right? It's like family. For 1 year, you've been focused on this. How do you look like? How do you feel? What your life does look like? Why have you done this? How did it unfold it? Which type of clothing are you wearing? How do you look at people? How does it smell around you? How do you feel in your own skin? All that. Feel the confidence, peace, and self-trust in that version of you. Feel it. Feel how much you can embrace it, right? Feel the confidence, peace, and self-trust that that version of you has. You can also feel the certainty. Second year, that's okay. Just feel the certainty. It's like I did it. It's like, whoa, I did manage to go through all this. I did manage to implement this with so much freaking ease in the end of the day. Use this. This is you can be like serve as a reset button. Like to just feel yourself within having asserted your value for a freaking year, and you can do this every time you feel lost, every time you feel unmotivated, or every time you have a difficult choice to make. So I'm going to read right now why it works. It creates a clear, emotionally compelling target for your subconscious mind to navigate towards, making value-aligned choices more automatic. It's like in your mind, you have already done it. You get used to have already done it, so then it gets easier to actually do it. There is no gap between what you want to do and what you had done. You said, "Oh yeah, I have done it because I am in the habit of it, so I do it now." Much love.